Hi, I'm Dora Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. Today I'm going to be reviewing the latest from BoxyCharm. I got something today, have no idea what's inside. Let's take a look and find out, shall we? All right, in case I didn't make it clear, this is either the premium box or the add-ons that I have ordered. So I'm going to see, I'm opening it now, so I'm going to be seeing at the same time, in real time as you are here. So let's see. Oh. This reads BoxyCharm invite only. Okay. So there's this. I don't think I got one of these in the last box. Let's see. Okay. So yeah, it does read premium. I don't know if you can see that there. So this is Persona Cosmetics Identity 2 eyeshadow palette. This goes for $42 US. Never heard of the brand Persona, but let's see what they're about. Oh, simple, clean packaging, kind of retro actually to me. Yeah, it says like that, it kind of reflects the box. There's the back of the palette. And these are very pretty colors. You see that there? Let's see if I can, yep, you see them? Very nice. It has something here. I wonder if it's just flex, but yeah. Very pretty colors. And it has, you know, some base colors here, as well as some shimmers. So it's matte and shimmer, which I like. These are gorgeous, by the way. This gold and green, love it. So they go by names of Kind and Loyal. Let's see if I can do them here. Kind and Loyal. Very simple, straight out of the box that you can use for an everyday look. And I'm going to try this green, which feels very like butter. It's a little chunky. And then this yellow. The green is called Driven and the gold is Unique. Wow, that's pretty intense right there. But yeah, they are chunky, but the color payoff is amazing. Look at that. Oof, I can't wait to make a look at this. There's no scent, which is good if you're sensitive to any kind of scent. Never heard of this brand, but wow. Just wow. Wow, what is that? It looks like it might be hair oil. I wonder. This is the Better Skin Company Eye Bright Now. No way. Yeah, Eye Bright Now. What? This is an anti-puff formula for around the eyes. Let's see. Wake up and fight dark circles, okay, and puffiness with the Eye Bright Now serum. A single drop provides immediate hydration and helps with the appearance of puffiness and dark circles. What? Eye Bright Now assists in reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. This goes for $38 US and it's new to BoxyCharm. Wow. Okay, this is sealed. I'm intrigued. I think I'm going to do a separate review on this because I do want to try it, but okay. That is so interesting. What's the next thing on here? The next thing I have here, again, in no particular order, these are the blush drops from Rodial. I think it's Rodial, but I could be mispronouncing it. Again, I will put the enunciation proper underneath. And this enhances the skin's luminosity by adding a healthy flush of color to the complexion. The concentrated drops provide a buildable, illuminating pop of color for cheeks. This goes for $50 US. Wow. $50 for blush. I'm astounded. This is the packaging. I'm trying to figure out what color this is supposed to be. Let's see here. This is a pretty, it looks like it could be like, gives me a chromatic look in a way. Almost like it's hydrate, like a glowiness to it probably. So let's open this bad boy up. Oh, okay. So there is a bit of glowiness to it. Okay, so let me see if I can do it on this hand, because this hand's kind of glowy already, but I'm just gonna add a drop there real quick. I think I may have put on too much already, but you'll see it. There you go, you see? Very pretty. Oh my gosh. I would even use this for an all over like glow look, like after you come back from vacation and you don't want your tan to fade. Look at that. So this is a blush thing. Wow. I mean, I'm wearing blush right now, otherwise I would put it on. Maybe I'll do a demonstration in next video about that. Oh, what's this? This is a first for me. All right. It just so happens that I thought that that was it of what I had in my premium BoxyCharm box. But it turns out this little guy was in there. And it looks like from a brand called Riddle. And it has a question mark. So I'm not really sure what this is. I'm intrigued. It's a perfume. Oh, because for a moment I was like, is that lipstick? Then I'm gonna have to like hush up and oh wow, look at that. So pretty. Well, it feels like it could be plastic, or it could be, I'm not gonna drop it to find out, but it has some weight to it. Oh, and it's a roller ball. Okay, I don't smell it right away, so let's see. Just gonna put a little bit just to see. I love getting new scents and trying them. Like, I've never heard of this brand, so I'm already intrigued. Oh. Oh, I can't rub with this hand because it smells like something I've had before. There's a sweetness to it, almost like a candy flavor, but it could be like a hint of pine. I have to find out what's in this, what does it have in it? I'm intrigued. But I like it. It's something I would wear. But again, if you're someone who's onto any kind of scents or fragrances, obviously getting a scent or a fragrance in your box is not ideal. But for me, I'm always up for exploring and trying out new fragrances. So I'm thrilled to have gotten that. That was a lovely surprise. Thank you, BoxyCharm. This is the KVD Lock-It Makeup Setting Mist. Meet the finest setting spray on earth. This setting mist delivers a luxurious continuous spray that locks down your look for extreme long wear. Wow, and it's with an earth-friendly spraying system. This refreshing, weightless micro mist will leave your makeup looking vibrant and fresh without feeling sticky. Price tag for this is $29 US, and it's 120 ml, which is 40 fluid ounces. So I'm already intrigued. Let's see how this looks. The KVD beauty line, their products are pretty decent. And this is how the bottle looks. It's sort of reminiscent to me of some other bottles I've seen, like Koki. It's similar to that bottle design. And let's see how it sprays. Oh yeah, it's very fine. And it smells nice, sort of reminiscent of Tarte in a way, the scent. Very nice. But again, if you're not into any fragrance, this may not be for you. And I think this is like, it's sort of like, it's like a plastic container. It's not like a heavy glass container. Oh, and finally, last but certainly not least, what do we have here from SB2? What is this? Sutra Beauty? Ooh, SB2 by Sutra, and this is their rejuvenating hair serum. What? If any of you have been following me for some time, you know how I am about skincare and hair care. I'm always on the constant lookout for something that'll not only calm my hair, but also help to rebuild up its shine, its manageability, its softness, its everything, the volume, everything. So to see something like this, I am amazed and grateful. This is paraben free, by the way, and this is 60 ml, which is 2.03 fluid ounces. I've heard of Sutra. I think they're pretty good with their line. I probably have tried samples, but never got a full bottle. So what does this do? This protects hair and reduces frizz. Oh, that's so me. Thank you. With the Sutra Rejuvenating Hair Serum, infused with healthy ingredients to leave your hair shiny and smooth, this serum will prevent your hair from damage and dryness. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I hope it does. I will be trying it, and I will be doing a test on this, and I will be doing a proper review. I will start using it for a month and then give a wear playback on it to let you know what my feedback and experience has been with it. The price of this beauty is $45 US. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. What do I have to say about all this? This is obviously triple the amount of what the box actually cost me. Again, this is the premium box. I'm assuming this is for the month of November. Again, there's been like wonky things going on as far as shipping, so I'm never sure whether I'm getting an actual premium box or if I'm getting stuff that I bought during the sale. There was a pop-up kind of sale that went on just this past week. I did order stuff, so I will be in the near future posting videos on those unboxings, and my experience with those products are also upcoming. Thank you so much for watching this video. I have to say, not bad. I am dying to use all these things here that involve hair care and skincare, right up my alley. And then to get a product like, I've never heard of them, but I'm definitely gonna try them. And I will be posting a video soon on a couple of looks I'll create. I'm dying to play with it. I can't wait. Thank you so much for joining me. And if you haven't already, hit that like button. And even better, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll know my next video will be up. I am pleased with what I received. I will give it a B+. I am amazed by it. The only thing that's really missing is a lipstick. Otherwise, I can't wait to dive in. And I know the skincare was definitely not cheap, so I can't wait for the hair care and the skincare to just check that all out. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on my next video. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.